Welcome back to Aquaplaticodon. In today's episode, we're focusing on a troubling type of scam that often emerges in the wake of natural disasters, disaster relief scams. These scams prey on the vulnerable, taking advantage of people who have just experienced catastrophic events and are looking for assistance. Whether it's fake contractors, phony charities, or scammers posing as government relief agents, these scams can leave victims worse off than before. Let's take a closer look at how they work and how you can avoid them. Here's how this scam typically works. After a disaster like a hurricane, wildfire, or flood, scammers show up at the doors of victims or contact them online, pretending to be from FEMA, a government agency or a well-known charity. They claim they're offering emergency repairs, financial relief, or even free government grants. What they really want is to either steal your money up front or gather personal information for identity theft. One real-life case involved victims of a major hurricane being contacted by scammers pretending to be FEMA agents. These scammers offered to help process emergency relief funds, but required victims to provide personal information, which was then used for identity theft. Others were charged hefty upfront fees for repairs that were either never completed or done poorly. To protect yourself, never agree to work with someone who shows up unannounced. Always verify the credentials of any relief worker or contractor by contacting the organization directly. FEMA and other legitimate agencies won't ask for payment to apply for disaster aid. And when donating to charities, make sure you use trusted platforms to avoid giving money to fake organizations. Thanks for watching Aquaplaticodon. Stay tuned for more videos on door-to-door scams, where we'll cover other types of fraud, including fake insurance offers and misleading energy-saving programs. Stay informed and stay safe. See you in the next video.